Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through form attributes. And to create a form you will need form tag, and within this form tag I'm gonna take label and input tag. Hit save. And first of all we'll discuss this action attribute. The action attribute defines the action to be performed when the form is submitted. Usually the form data is sent to a file on the server when the user clicks on the submit button. Since this is not the scope of the video, I'm not gonna tell you anything about server-side programming. If you need to learn more about server-side languages, for example PHP, Node.js, ASP.NET, Python, or Ruby on Rails, you can watch my videos based on these languages and find the links in the description below. Alright, let's move on. And the form data is sent to a file, let's say some page.php. And after action attribute I'm gonna tell you about the target attribute, and the value could be underscore blank. Hit save. And what it does, basically the target attribute specifies where to display the response that is received after submitting the form. And if this underscore blank is specified, the response is displayed in a new window or tab. Or you can also select options through underscore self to display the response in the current window, or you can specify here underscore parent to display the response in the parent frame, or you can also specify here underscore top to display the response in the full body of the window. Now let's discuss about method attribute. This method attribute specifies the HTTP method to be used when submitting the form data. The form data can be sent as URL variables with method equals to get or post. This get or post method appends the form data to the URL in name and value pairs. Never use get to send sensitive data. The submitted form data is visible in the URL, and the post method appends the form data inside the body of the HTTP request. The submitted form data is not shown in the URL. Now let's discuss about autocomplete attribute, whether it could be off or on. This autocomplete attribute specifies whether a form should have autocomplete on or off. When autocomplete is on, the browser automatically complete values based on the values that the user has entered before. Now let's talk about an attribute no validate. The no validate attribute is Boolean attribute. When present, it specifies that the form data should not be validated when submitted. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.